Hey guys, my name is Yashi Senpai and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to unlock the FPS in Roblox. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do is go to this link that I have in the description below, and don't worry if you download this, it's not any viruses or malware. Lots of Roblox YouTubers use it, like Bandites, Tanker, Kaneko Kitten, a bunch. So it's not a virus, so you don't have to worry. So what you want to do is look for the latest version. So there's a bunch of versions down here. Right now, the latest is version 4.4.1. So what you want to do is click this RBX FPS Unlocker 64-bit zip file, and it should download right here. And then what you want to do, click this arrow, click show in folder, and it should bring up this thing. As we can see, we have the RBX FPS Unlocker file here. So we just need to right click it and then click extract all. You will get this window right here. So just pick a place where you want to put it and just extract. Then it should give a window with where it extracted to. So just take this and drag it to your desktop. So you should have the FPS Unlocker and the settings in your desktop. So what you want to do is right click it and click open, and it should open this, checking for updates, minimizing to system tray. And when you go to a system tray, it should be right here. So what you want to do now is right click this, and then you can see FPS cap, so you can put this FPS to whatever your monitor is capable of. This is a side note, okay? If you do not have a powerful monitor like that can support 360 to 40, then this will not work. Say for example, you have a 120 Hertz monitor, and if you see it go 240, that's not happening. You're only seeing 120 Hertz. My one is on 75 Hertz, my monitor. So I'm going to click that, and it should optimize the FPS to 75. Anyway, you can see from here a bunch of settings that you can toggle if you want. You can put silent errors, use console errors, quick start, load settings. You can visit the GitHub page for updates and stuff. Anyway, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 200 subs this year, and I really think we can do it. Anyway, as always, keep it cool and goodbye.